Here's a friend, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color and decorate in my Elsa coloring page. Done! I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with markers, a blue paper and some craft tools. And yes, let's get ready because I'll get started right now. First of all, I'm gonna cut Elsa's shape out of this picture and paste it on blue background paper. Okay, now let's color in Elsa. Let's start on her face first. She has blue eyes. And brown eyebrows. Let's color in her lips pink. And let's color in her skin light peach. And I'm gonna color in her hair light yellow. Okay, next let's color in Elsa red blue. And I finished coloring Elsa. Next, let's decorate the picture to be brightly with sprinkle stickers. Lastly, I'm gonna frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so pretty! Elsa just looks so beautiful! She's my favorite princess! Alright guys, thanks for watching! I hope you have fun in my world of colors! And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun video every single day. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!